Hi and welcome to another Nomi demonstration. Today we're going to be running through the new feature of the tax rate tables in Nomi and also how to open a new tax year in the payroll section. First we're going to run through the tax rate table. You go to reports, go to the payroll section, and at the bottom would be tax rate tables. This will give you all the information you need for tax years going back as far as 2015. It'll have the national insurance threshold, PAYE tax threshold, and so on. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to open a new tax year in the payroll section. You go to the payroll dashboard and then create schedule. Here you have the option of employer NI allowance, so you can enter the amount that you wish to claim. If you don't want to claim anything, you can just enter 0. If you wish to change the tax code for all your employees, you can enter a default tax code. If you want it to remain the same as the last tax year, then just leave it blank. Create the schedule, and then 25-26 will appear up here, giving you the option to then run the payroll again. Thank you.